Hi. Just as I say in my blurb, this unit is a beast. It's, first of all, self-contained. You don't run it off of the car battery. It will run the car battery. So on LOKITHOR stuff, JA means jump and air. So in this self-contained unit with its battery, you can jump your vehicle and you can inflate the tires. And it's all simple to operate. Comes up to whatever you last left it on, bar or PSI. You adjust your pump pressure. Hook it up to your tire. Here's the pump end. And hold down on pump for 3 seconds. And it starts pumping. I demonstrate this for you outside, except it's zero, an actual zero temperature out there. So that would make a whole lot of sense. Plug your leads for battery charging in over here. And these are a little bit longer than normal leads, which is nice. Here are your USB-C, USB regular plugins. Over here on top, hold down, flashlight, blink, blink, and off. Really bright, nice flashlight. This is heavy duty. It's surprisingly light considering the battery that's inside this sucker that can do all this. It's rated at 1750 amps, a peak current. It packs a wallop for sure. So if you're needing to jump start a vehicle, a large vehicle, this will handle the job for sure. Has warning lights if you hook the thing up wrong, reverse polarity protection. Really a nice unit, nice handle on there. Everything you need, your cables, your air hose with a nice quick lock, screws on, your charging cable, and each type, a USB and a USB-C cable, and some various inflators to inflate your play toys, blow up play toys, and your balls, and bicycles for that matter. Remember, even if you have the pressure down low, this produces more volume than might be appropriate for some things, so you got to be careful as you inflate large objects that are low pressure and high volume. So, like I say, everything fits in this nice little drawstring bag. This is a flagship unit for sure, and I really like the units that have their own battery. For pressure, if you're relying on the car to produce the energy, what if there's something going on with your battery? Then you can't inflate your tires. So anyway, this is a flagship unit, as I said, and you'll enjoy using it and learn to rely on it. So you can't go wrong. Cheers.